Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Sannaki, Department of Civil Engineering, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. So in today's lecture, we will be discussing about lintels and arches. So in these lintels and arches, we will be discussing two lectures. Those are lecture number 22 and 23. So the content in this lectures are necessity of lintels and arches, sunshades, canopy, portico, RCC lintels, plinth beams and grade beams. So coming to necessity of lintels and arches. So before knowing the necessity, what is a lintel? A lintel, it's a horizontal support which is provided over the door or over the window to support the wall which is above the door or the window. So in this figure you can see a structure, it may be of wood, concrete or stone which is above the window or the door. It is called as lintel. Now knowing what is an arch. An arch, it is a vertical curved structure that spans an elevated space and may or may not support the weight above it. So here in this figure you can see a circular arch provided over a opening. So in this image there are different things mentioned, means the parts or the elements of the arch are mentioned in this image. Coming to necessity of lintels and arches. Necessity of lintels. Lintels support walls above the openings like doors, windows, etc. as I said. They provide safeguard of windows and doors. They transfer all the loads to the side walls. Sometimes lintels also act as architectural elements. Necessity of arches. Arches have several great advantages over horizontal beams or lintels. The function of an arch is to carry weight of the structure above the opening. Because of the shape, the blocks support each other by mutual pressure of their own weight. Hence, the structure remains in the position by the resistance from the support. So here in the image you can see the different type of arches provided. Sunshades. It is also known as chhaja. It is a monolithical structure which is constructed or built with the lintel, connecting along with the lintel. The function of sunshade is to provide the entry of sunlight. The function of sunshade is to prevent the entry of sunlight and rain in windows. So here, as I said, chhaja, these are projections connected to the lintel. They protect us from sun, rain action. So here you can see a RCC lintel with the reinforcement. It is also known as chhaja. It is also used for architectural purposes. Next, coming to canopy, portico. So canopy is an overhead roof which is projected, which is able to provide shade or shelter from weather conditions such as sun, hail, snow and rain. A canopy can also be a tent, generally without a floor. So in this image you can see a canopy. Portico. Portico, it is a porch leading to the entrance of the building with a roof over a walkway, supported by columns or enclosed by walls. So in this image you can see a portico. RCC lintels. RCC lintels are structures which are provided over the doors or the windows in a structure because of their strength, rigidity, fire resistance, and ease in construction. So RCC lintels are provided. So RCC lintels are suitable for any loads for any span. So here you can see the different types of RCC lintels. Plinth beams and grade beams. So here are plinth beams. Plinth beams are beams constructed at the plinth level. These beams are provided to prevent the cracks which are formed in the foundation and which are transferred to the walls. So by constructing these beams, the cracks which lead to the walls are prevented. Grade beams. Grade beam, it is a component of a building's foundation. It consists of a reinforcement concrete beam that transmit the load from a bearing wall into spaced foundations such as a pile cap or caissons. Thank you.